Hey guys, this, like I was just saying in the other video, here's going to be the clip that I'm going to insert because I don't have the chainsaw with me. It's at home. But here's a clip of the chainsaw ride. Catch you in the next one. So it has been gone through a new piston cylinder. It's now a 52 millimeter instead of a 50. What else did I do? New needle bearing, new seals, new carb kit. I can include a 16-inch bar, but it's not the right bar for it. It should have a minimum 20 since it's being 71 cc's. It is an aftermarket cylinder, but it is good quality in the casting. It's not too bad. I made sure there was no markings. I wouldn't have put it if there was bad casting marks. It's the single piston ring 1-2, so it's the performance, you know. But yeah, this machine is ready to go.